Planning to tour Vilnius but don't want to be weighed down by your luggage? Radical Storage offers an easy, secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Vilnius using Radical Storage, a reliable platform offering secure, insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring your luggage is safe and insured while you explore. While you could search for Radical Storage yourself, be mindful of phishing sites. To stay safe, use the secure link in the video description to access the official Radical Storage website. Once there, finding a luggage storage point in Vilnius is simple. Just type Vilnius into the search bar, and a list of storage locations throughout the city will appear. Choose a convenient location near key attractions, transit hubs, or the city center. Then, select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, and complete the payment. Radical Storage guarantees secure online transactions, so you can book with confidence. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the storage point. Once you arrive, simply present your reference to the staff and they'll safely store your bags. And that's all. You're now free to explore Vilnius luggage-free, knowing your belongings are secure with Radical Storage. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.